Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate chip cookies without an oven and egg. First, gather your simple ingredients. You will need 1/2 cup of butter, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of milk. Also, prepare 2 cups of quick oats, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget 1 cup of delicious chocolate chips to complete your treats. Now let's get mixing. In a medium saucepan, combine your butter, sugar, and milk. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the butter is fully melted and the sugar dissolves. Bring it to a rolling boil and let it boil for precisely 1 minute. Remove the pan from the heat and quickly stir in the oats, cocoa powder, vanilla extract, and all your chocolate chips. Mix until everything is thoroughly combined. With your delicious mixture ready, it's time to form your cookies. Using a spoon, drop small, rounded portions onto a sheet of parchment paper or wax paper. You can gently shape them into perfect circles if you like. Once all your cookies are formed, place the tray into the refrigerator. Allow them to chill for a minimum of 30 minutes, or until they are firm and ready to enjoy. And there you have it. Your homemade, no-bake, egg-free chocolate chip cookies are ready to be devoured. Serve them chilled for the best firm and chewy texture. If you happen to have any leftovers, which is unlikely, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. These delightful treats will remain fresh and delicious for up to 5 days, offering a quick and easy dessert anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.